The new Milwaukee M12 cordless drill, driver, hammer drill, all in one compact tool. This tool will run off your normal size 12-volt lithium-ion battery or your extra capacity 12-volt battery. With your number 2 Phillips, you could take a screw, set your clutch position, run it right on in, and you have a screw gun. Just go ahead and put your adapter for 3/8 and you can run your lag bolts right on into your wood. Look at that power. Put it on drill. Now you have everything you need for drilling your holes. Just put it on your hammer feature here and you can drill right into concrete. Wow, all that in one compact tool. Better get yourself one. We have them here at Walters.